But what happens when your savings run completely dry? Don't panic. There are simple ways to rebuild your budget. Let's look at some options. When our income increases, our spending often follows suit. This is called lifestyle creep, and it can empty your wallet. When your monthly paycheck finally arrives, it is time to manage your money wisely. Splitting your income into stacks makes budgeting simple. Track every single dollar that you spend and step toward financial freedom. You've made your profit, but first, rent takes a massive chunk. Then, your car payment rolls right in, leaving you with almost nothing.
Ever wonder where your hard-earned money disappears to? You start the month feeling great, but then reality hits. It's not always one big purchase. It's the little things that add up, slowly draining your balance. The morning coffee, that extra grocery run, or the subscription you forgot to cancel. They all want a piece. Before you know it, your wallet is gasping for air and your bank account has become a ghost town. It's like a magic trick you never signed up for. A mystery of vanishing personal funds. But don't worry. Let's break down the budget and find exactly where that money is hiding.